Have you ever wondered how to make biopesticide production faster and more efficient? Researchers from Cuba investigated how to optimize one crucial step: harvesting beneficial bacteria from fermentation. The current use of tubular centrifuges is time-consuming and labor-intensive, especially when processing large fermentation volumes of Tsukamurella Paurometabola C. 924, the active ingredient of the eco-friendly bionematicide hebernem. The solution proposed was to evaluate a semi-continuous disc stack centrifuge. This advanced equipment offers high separation efficiency, speed, and operational flexibility, ideal for industrial scale use. The team applied a factorial design experiment to test how feed flow rate, biomass concentration, and discharge timing affected performance. They achieved an average biomass concentration of over 657 g/L and recovery rates exceeding 97%, surpassing the required quality standards. The optimal settings: a feed concentration of 176 g/L, flow rate of 64 L/H, and discharge interval of 5 minutes. Why does this matter? By switching to this centrifuge, the new plant can cut harvest time in half, reduce labor needs, and maintain high product quality. This study paves the way for more efficient, robust, and scalable biotechnological production. Read the full article to explore the methodology and detailed results.